feel 1 minute, yeah, we got it, then it's gone. While we keep waiting for a moment till it's full. So can't nobody ever tell me that I'm wrong. Cause I'm a rider with you, still the night is young. We keep going, we go, we go, we go.
Good morning, guys. So today is February 20th. I ain't talked to y'all in how long, videos backed up whatsoever, but my computer is in the shop getting fixed right now, so he said it should be done by today. So hopefully it's done by today. If not, it's probably gonna be done by tomorrow. But right now I'm finna get ready to walk out the door. I just gotta give me a couple snacks. I would take lunch because I cooked last night. I cooked loaded baked potatoes with shrimp, broccoli, and the whole nine. And then it's some steak on the side. But I don't got time to be packing no lunch. It's already 9:52. So I'm just gonna make some grapes, a cookie, granola bar, and some chips. I got some Doritos. And I got me some cotton candy grapes yesterday. Cotton candy grapes too expensive. Why these grapes cost $12? EBT this household, please. Not shade. But y'all, today is like, if y'all don't know, I don't think y'all know this, but I am in BSU, which is Black Student Union, and it's our Spirit Week for celebrating Black History Month. Hold on, let me get y'all over here to wash. Yeah, they having a Spirit Week so we could celebrate Black History Month. And today is straight out of TV Tuesday. So you dress like a character in a TV show, a black one, or like an actor, anything. And I chose Lauren London. I seen an outfit. She had on a jeans dress, and y'all know she stayed with the Pumas on. So I wore my Pumas. And I already got the hoop earrings. They just don't got my name in them. But them coming soon, for real, for real. I'm going to show y'all the fit, probably when I get to school. I'm going to show y'all everybody fits. Mani's, Kemi's, Kimaya's. I don't know who else dressing up. But I'll show y'all. Whoever dressing up. Actually, y'all, here go my fit in the mirror. I got this dress from Pretty Little Thing, I think. I got my dress from Pretty Little Thing. Oops. My camera acting crazy. Pretty Little Thing, and then my shoes, Pumas. I think JD or Puma website. I don't know. But I'm gonna walk out and I'm gonna see y'all in the car for real. Y'all, my Cali weathering today, baby. And my car say 81 degrees. Woo, it's hot. And it been real cold lately, so at least we getting some sun, some heat. We love the heat. And I got on the dress today. Perfect. Hey. But y'all, I got these glasses. I don't know which glasses to wear, but Lauren London, she usually wears sunglasses, and I got these black Kurt ones. I don't normally like these black Kurt ones that my mama got me, but cause they not my style. Like, these are not the typical sunglasses I be wearing. I be wearing Y'all know the LA girl glasses. If you know, you know. Not the big frame ones, but the smaller frame ones. They're my favorite kind of glasses. But let me show y'all the sunglasses I'm talking about. I called my mom this morning. I was like, Mom, do you got some black sunglasses? She was like, what happened to them Kurt ones? I was like, oh yeah. I mean, they ain't that bad. Look, they got the Kurt right there. I don't know how I kept it up. Those are right there. And let me see how they look on. These how they look on. I mean, these are the type of glasses Lauren London be wearing anyways. So I guess I'm gonna walk up in the school like, yeah. But let me show y'all my other option. I think I'm gonna wear these though, cause these giving more her. Let's set this up. And I could wear these driving to school, cause baby this sunny. About to blind you, girl. These are other ones I got. They just like the 2000s look, but I might save these for throwback. Oh yeah, I gotta wear the sunglasses ones. Let me see. These ones. These are cute too. I ain't gonna bad. But I'm gonna wear these for throwback. And then I'm gonna wear my sunglasses ones today. These ones. So shout out my mama for these glasses, cause I wasn't even thinking about these glasses. I even text the group chats like, do y'all got some black sunglasses I could borrow? I forgot all about these. But yeah. Real T-ski. Y'all. Oh, I was finna turn all the way back around if I forgot my lip pencil and stuff. I was never finna play by my lip gloss. But I just felt in my bag. It's up in there. Let me put my tunes on and we could vibe out a little bit. 1 sec. Y'all, I'm too irritated. Why my regular route talking about 45 minutes? What's going on the road today? 45 minutes, baby. I'm already late. This other route said 27 minutes. I'm glad I looked at my maps, because I was not finna put my maps on. I ain't gonna lie. I wasn't. But it's time to get to school at 10:31. That's kind of bad, because I'm really supposed to be there at 10:11. But YOLO. Fashionably late, and I had to take my little brother to school this morning. So.
Play that shit on TNT.
This is my song.
Yeah, just stay away from God.
You told them you love me, then just say it again. Yeah, you said I'm trying to cut, baby, I'm always winning. I'm trying to be serious, but I always win. She said she was fake love. It was my
Every day is Christmas. I wish.
We ain't the same. Peep the range. It's 10 feet tall.
I can keep the bad one.
That should keep my meat tall.
I really ain't feeling this traffic.
Body parts. I feel you wrong. Bonnie and Clyde, you take the
It's
check.
giving, y'all.
No, you won't get
The
tired.
plus, I be feeling
If you stay with me, I can have it all. Nothing like them girls, never like before.
Walking passions, who to say that? I ain't actions, why you shooting? Cause I had to.
another bitch calling me, leave me.
Search you on your phone. Why you get on your favorite song? Cause if you shit all alone, cause I don't wanna be alone.
Fun fact, I really hate driving by them semi trucks, cause it be giving they finna smash my car, especially if it's two. If I'm in between two of them, oh yeah, I'm doing the dash to get away. One thing about it, y'all, anyways, like I was saying, one thing about it, let me roll this up because I left my mic in my backpack. I need to leave my camera bag in my car because holding this camera be too inconvenient while driving, but putting that freaking tripod up be too inconvenient. It takes too much work. Like, let me just stick my camera on there and be on the go. I don't need to be trying to screw stuff on and stuff. No, I don't even know how to do it for real. Like, let me put my AC on, baby, because it's too hot. I'm feeling like I want some ice cream or something. How hot it is. Let me resume my tone.
I hate I caused you all that pain, but I'm mature. I wanna be thinking it went if it wasn't good. And I hate the fact that it didn't work out the way it should. If you gon' hold me down, I'll do anything for you. Just to keep it real fly, nigga. On the pilot, I put AP, ain't no side bitch, yeah. On my mind, girl, tell me why you always on my mind. Girl, on my mind, thinking fine, got some wine, I wanna spend some time. Pretty brown, take you down, I wanna take my time with you. Pretty brown, take you down, I wanna take my time with you. Girl, they don't talk like killing me the regular thing. What the fuck this thing? Oh, I forgive them. Why so good that shit drink? But you, I still think about you. I hope that I never see you again. I don't wanna put up with it. I don't wanna fuck with it. I'ma just send you this letter whenever I'm done with it. I know you gon' read it. I called you a bitch at the end. I don't know if I mean it. I ain't wanna believe what my niggas was telling me. My nigga, I should've cheated. And now I feel stupid. I should've knew better than this. Wasn't the right way to do it. I should've been choosing the money instead of a bitch. Fuck it, cause I'm getting to it. Just watch how I do it. I knew I was ready for this. Bitch got me saying what's wrong with you. I remember being in the hole with you. Everything was always on the stone with you. Girl, I even bust a couple jaws with you. I still think about you.
Let me show y'all. Y'all see all these trucks? This is too much for me. Oh, my mom used to work for that company. Y'all see? I should have knew better. I should have knew better. Like, and then they be causing all this traffic. Like, please move out the way. They need their own freeway. Literally, their own freeway. Cause it's just too much for the queen to be driving in. All this traffic.
We won.
Back it up, that's it one.
Baby, pull up, you know what it is. Wanna be up, you the beast. I don't care about your lovers and friends. Where should I start? I'm trying to read your heart.
Call me and jump on it. Call me when you're home. Call me when you're on it.
So cold. 3 a.m. we up all morning.
Riding dice, we going to speed. Doing the dash, I'm riding on heat. All for you, I get down on my knees. They see me in the dark. You know my mind, you know my soul, you know my back. I play my part. No kidding, got
These people, like, why they driving so slow?
They see me.
I miss my exit. Oh. Gloomy. Overly.
Cause I made
That shit they on is outdated. We stay up there
checking that paper. I got a big bag of it. Who you looking for to see when I'm clubbing? Baby, I'm just thinking. On my church, I don't know that for season. I'm a dog who doesn't ever hold. After all, you know I do not treat you like that, no. You be thugging and treating me like you don't love me at all. You be telling me hurtful things when your feelings get involved. I wanna know.
No cap. I wanna know. On books. And I'm grave. I wanna know. Like, for real though. That's so personal because I really know.
Now turn around, face down, ass up, take it on.
CJ, if you watching, look.
I try to
Y'all, I'm probably just gonna see y'all when I get to school or something because I'm tired of holding this camera. Tomorrow, if I vlog, well, I'm probably gonna vlog all week, so I'm gonna make sure I bring my things so I could put my camera up in my car on a tripod. Cause look, it's literally right there. I just don't use it. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the whole fit with the glasses on. Let me show y'all. The dress, and then the shoes, and then let me show y'all money. Cookie Lion from
Not playing with Lucius.
okay, period. She has some heels on, but
Fee was too.
now she got the sandals.
It's good though, cause Jamal right there.
And then here go Cammy.
Jamal.
Okay, y'all. I'm Miss Olivia, Miss Pope.
Hey, Jamal. All right.
Olivia Pope,
B613ID.
B613 ID.
All right, Jamal.
I had on my heels too, but I had to.
Yeah, she had on her heels too, but she took them off.
He got Orion fucked up.
Everybody had on their stuff.
We got Ryan fucked up.
Well, her and Money had on heels. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. I'm gonna go walk to class. And yeah. Good morning, guys. I'm currently gonna walk out this door. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in my car. Y'all. Hold on, let me put my seatbelt on. So this beeping could stop. I am literally in disbelief. I'm driving from out of my freaking yard or like little thing. I don't driveway. Yeah, I'm driving out the driveway. Can you go? And people are crazy today, this morning. I'm literally driving out of my driveway, and I get to the stop sign. Why is this dude finna run the stop sign? And then he stopped. He eventually stopped, but he's gonna be honking, then just staring at me. People, I hate these people, cause leave me alone. And then I'm waiting to turn the corner. This lady's taking forever to turn the corner, so I'm waiting to turn, and these dudes are talking about hi. You can't say hi. Like, no, I can't. And then y'all old as ever, and then y'all look a mess. Just please leave me alone, like for real. But anyway, guys, today is, I don't even know what today is. I think it's 20 February. Oh, today is the 26th, and I am on the way to school. It's 9:14 right now. I'm late, per usual, but I feel cutesy today, y'all. And today is Throwback Thursday for our Spirit Week. I didn't come to talk to y'all yesterday, but yesterday was Afrocentric wear, and I don't have no Afrocentric clothes, so I just wore one of the Afrocentric colors, which is red. I wore all red Skims outfit. So yeah, and I got on my juicy shirt, my juicy pants, and then I got on my silver Sambas. And I did my hair like this because I seen like the hairstyles like this on Pinterest. 2 ponytails and then the back out. And then I got my glasses. Let me show y'all my glasses. This really put the icing on the cake. These glasses right here. Hold on, let me turn the corner and then I'm gonna put them on and I'm gonna show y'all. I still have yet to bring my black bag for my freaking camera, but that's neither here or there. And I don't even know if these glasses be cute or not. This how they look. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all, it's hot as ever. I don't want to roll my window down because it's going to be too much noise. But yeah, this is it right here. I don't know if I'm going to have to watch this video back. Well, actually, let me look at my phone since it's a red light. I mean, they cool. It's for the day of the Spirit
don't touch none of your friends. Tell your location on just for safety reasons. I'm too insecure, I'm not crazy. Somebody don't tell what you private at a private hotel.
I literally told y'all these people are crazy this morning. Like, this dude keep looking at me out his left mirror. Why the fuck are you looking at me? Excuse my language, but why are you looking at me? Drive before you crash and stop staring at me.
Either way it goes, I want you to know. I'm tryna see what that's in for. I'm even making it difficult. Many days ago, open up the gate, can't even wait, baby, with my clothes. Lock me outside on my tippy toes. That sounded like the something you were like. I'm so sorry, I can't hide it. I'm so sorry, I can't hide it.
She wanna go down. She called me, I'm on there. She calling me bloodless. God damn option. Can't come home no more. I stay on the option. Can't come home. Ain't been wanna fall with a no now. Yes, they go be so loud. Sipping on the act that's golden. Bunch of young bitch that's broken. Got 20K stuck in his ball, man. Broken nigga talking. You ain't gang, 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 gang. I'm stalking. My phone is like, I don't wanna. She keep whining on my line. I'm like, no, I'm on the road. We glow with the glow. We get dough. House on my ass.
I don't play with no folk and no traffic. I'm not playing. Like, these people be driving too dumb in this traffic. I do not be with all that. Just get to your destination. I got somewhere to be, and so do y'all. Like, come on now, drive like y'all got some sense. I just be confused. Y'all, I just feel like real cutesy, period. Like, I can't wait to show y'all my outfit. I'm gonna show y'all it all together when I get to school. Y'all, the queen finally walking in school. And it's, let me tell y'all what time. 9:36. But I don't mind because I got a in this class and it's a sub teacher, so it really don't matter to me, at least. But I shouldn't have that type of mindset. But let me show y'all. I might gotta clean them, but I'll clean them later. Let me show y'all. I hope I don't look dumb, because I do not want to look stupid. Like, I'll talk to y'all later or something. I'm gonna take some videos on my phone. Y'all, I just don't know. I just keep leaving y'all hanging. I don't got nothing to show y'all but just me constantly going to school. And yeah, that's what my life consists of. I'm just a 17-year-old girl who just goes to school and goes to CNA training on the weekend. My cheer team is cheering at the new Marathon Burger opening in Long Beach this Sunday, but I start my freaking clinicals this weekend, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to go. I really want to go because like I teeny tiny low-key miss cheering, and I have to admit, and I feel like I'm not gonna be able to cheer at no other event no more. Like, it's no more events except for that one, and that's on a Sunday. The only thing left after this event is our banquet, which that means our cheer season is over, and our banquet is next weekend, I believe. So yeah, I ain't have time to put my lip combo on. Y'all finna put it on with me. Yeah, I think I found my new favorite lip combo. I have my camera on my steering wheel. I did bring my black bag to set my tripod up, my car tripod, but I still don't got that set up. Y'all, wow, all these free all these freaking pencil things just fell on my lap. It's a red light. I could come back. Let me hurry up and try to draw this on for the light. I can't really even see. Okay, period. I did my big one. Period. Oh, the light green. I gotta make a turn. Y'all should put y'all boyfriends out on Thursday. They be trash. No bad. Okay, period. That's cute. This NYX, y'all. Trying to get the name. Tiramisu is the name. Let me turn on the freeway and I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah. Tiramisu. I'm not gonna be able to show y'all the name because it's so little. But yeah. Tiramisu. Real cute. See? Yeah, y'all, I'm on the way to school. It's 10:44. Just, I don't know. But that's okay because it's my 4th period. I'm a TA, so she don't mind at all. We like this. She don't mind. Let me put some tunes on so we can vibe out. Oh wait, one more thing, y'all. Tell me why my computer been in the shop since last week and he told me it was gonna be done this Tuesday. It's Friday, boo. You still ain't called me. You told me to take 3 to 5 business days, which is I'm giving it grace, but I'm finna call in a minute. Cause what's the status? I need to edit. I need to be on my YouTube bag. Cause I only got 2 videos on my channel right now. And I'm supposed to have 4. So, yeah.
I don't trust no man without no blicky. Cause when shit gets sticky, what the fuck that blicky? Yeah. Step for me. Throw up your safe for me. Get in the field, go get that check for me. That pistol, get that pussy with me. Come have sex with me. Please some. Please some. If you love me, shit turn me on. That tutu ain't gon' do that 90. Get me out my thong. Gangsta bitch, but I tell babe go get the switch. You know he pull up spanking shit. Better not put nobody but show out to buy me. Crazy princess when we slide through no nothing. Super thick when that shit get ugly. He know I shoot first. Make niggas fall like life alert. My shirt got nothing but chains on it. Miss me with that bull before I have him put some wings on you. Out on Thursday they be trash. But I can't stop. Gold grills twisting up his fingers.
Baby, what you doing? Come here, I've been missing you. I wanna fall. I know you can tell by how I'm kissing you. When I put it in your stomach, you be screaming, trying to take me. You took the covers tight while you made the ugly face. Yeah, the outfit cute, but you look better when you're little. Everybody say my name, but it sound better when you say that.
Baby, you throwing that all that can't be fit in one hand. That's how you know it's bad.
When I throw it back, he like Bailey 69. I told him I don't fuck with rain. Got that hello, nice to meet you grip. You know this pussy fat. She said I finish him, he made his man. Daddy, I wanna fucking lick on you. Swallow with his tip on you. You know I love that penthouse view.
You heard me deep when I was down on my lowest.
Y'all, let me pull this up. The song I'm finna put on next, it's just so personal. Like, it really is just too personal. Like, y'all don't understand the relationship me and this song got. Like, it's just so personal. If you know, you know. Let me put it on. And don't be thinking too much of nothing. It's just, you know, I gotta play it for the one time because I had seen this TikTok about it and I had reposted it this morning, so I just gotta play it before I get to school.
Trey made this beat.
If you know, you know. Like,
From the first time I saw you, I always had a special feeling for you. Tell me when you love. I try for the ease my mind. I play like I'm not your man. You drove me crazy cause I make it. This shit they on is all I dated. We stay updated, checking that paper. I got a big baby. Who you looking for to see when I'm clubbing? I'm just thinking. The first season. I'm a dog, be thugging that road. After all, you know I do not treat you like that, no. You be thugging me, treating me like you don't like me at all. You be telling me hurtful things when your feelings get involved. Now I wanna know. Now tell me who you love. Now turn around, face down, ass up, take it down, run back.
yeah, I'm pulling up to my school. This SD card only got 24 minutes left on it. I'm irked. And then, y'all, my daddy feeling real nice. He sent me $100 this morning. Just cause. Hopefully some parking. I don't see no parking. I don't mind if I got a parking handicap. Y'all, I'm overly irked. Like, it's extremely hot today. Let me tell y'all how much degrees it is. Right now, it's 83 degrees. It's gonna get 89 in a second. Like, what? But let me show you the fit. I go this black one-piece sheen. Took it on my cruise. I wasn't vlogging in, so y'all couldn't come along with me. But yeah, and then I go Ricky and all. She got on Ricky and all, Ricky and all, Ricky and all. I go face, my mama and my daddy, period. And then my school bag, MCM, real it girl, real that girl, real, yeah. And I walk in this school late, but that's okay. I'm a straight A student. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna be walking in. I just was showing y'all the fit. Hey y'all, so it's finna be 3 o'clock, and at lunch we decided that we just gonna go to the beach today, me and a couple of my friends, cause it's too hot outside, baby. And we just think it's a good beach day, so I'm finna leave school right now, and then I'm finna go pick up Breezy. So when I get Breezy, I'll see y'all. Hey y'all, so me and Breezy made it to the beach. Horny Corner Beach. Yeah, we came to Horny Corner, and it's only us here right now. We still got some more folks coming, but we got a little good spot. We not finna get a spot up because it's like some shade over here.
This our turf.
Yeah, this our turf, no shade. Breezy got on a bathing suit, but I don't. Y'all already know. Cause this was not planned. If it was planned, I would have been told y'all this morning. And I don't even know if I told y'all what day it was this morning, cause I was so rushing trying to leave. But it's Friday, February 26th.
Hey guys, y'all already know who it is. Breezy in the building. Yeah, and I'm just here with my long lost sister.
Long lost sister.
Yeah, y'all, we reunited.
After so long, we don't know what happened.
Right.
We just found each other at high school one day.
Right. And we just found
Actually,
out
I think it was here. Remember? Oh no, it was probably across the street. That team bonding.
Oh yeah, that was funny.
And I have the picture still in my room.
That was funny. Like, they was like, oh yeah, your big sister is. I was like, she's so tea.
Like, because I did not want no weird people.
Yeah, and I was
And this year, I got some weird people.
for real.
Well, one girl, she cool, but the other girl, she don't even be talking.
Mhm.
When I talk to her, she just look at me like I'm dumb. Like,
I would
girl,
be like, girl, like, where your spirit at?
no spirit.
Where your spirit
But she
at?
dance good.
No shade. Like when you was like, when I first met you, Lay, I was shy. Like you couldn't tell. Yeah, I was shy. I was
Why
like,
people? Ooh, I make them nervous.
I
Y'all.
was like, she's so pretty. Like, oh my gosh. Like,
But people always think I'm mean.
yeah.
That's
like,
why they say.
you be giving like RB. No, actually,
Yeah, they tell me RBO.
I met you at Denny's.
For real?
Wait, was it Denny's first?
When we have
No, it was Denny's.
Oh yeah, it was
first.
Denny's.
I remember you was talking. Yeah, you talked to me first.
Yeah, it was Denny's because I was like, I seen with them girls. Yeah, she has some ugly friends.
No shade.
No shade. And if y'all see this, I don't care. No shade.
No shade. But yeah, I was like, oh, she came up and spoke to me.
Oh yeah, cause she wasn't on. I never seen her on the church team before, so I knew she was new. And we had all made the team, so.
Lay was so nice for that, y'all. Like, she's really a nice girl. She's really a nice girl. Wait,
Is the sun going down?
yes, it is.
Okay, y'all, we gonna come back and talk when everybody else get here, and we gonna take some more pics. And yeah, y'all, the folks then finally pulled up after me and Breezy was here for like I don't even know how long.
Wait, how long y'all been? Hey, vlog.
Probably
How long y'all been here?
Mani, Malaya, Layla, and then Orion right there. I don't know if y'all seen him. And Jamar and Marquise in the car. Oh, also Barry too. But we got some pizza.
Did you get cheese or no?
And it's actually some folks out. When it's some action or some music going on, I'll come back and talk to y'all. But I can't really talk that much because I only got an hour left on this SD card. So yeah. Y'all, we finna play Uno.
The SBL?
Oh my God.
What?
No shade.
Aw, shade.
No shade.
Ah, shade.
No shade.
Okay.
Wait, we just pull in one car or pulling
Which one y'all want to do? She laughing.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
She went.
She
Okay, I'm gonna just give up on them.
This time making me
What's this? Oh my somebody I know has that. Sorry y'all. And then it's really like they really didn't come and I could have been drunk and been. Why did they?
Oh, it's my turn.
They never
Or you
be
can
a
talk
part
back.
Who put this?
Okay, y'all, come on. Everybody, pick it up.
Wait, hold on.
Including
Wait, we should do like whoever gets skipped or dog food.
Okay, but we gonna start. Can you pick your cup up?
Yeah, I
Okay.
How many
I just took
seconds?
mine, bro.
Come on.
I didn't
Okay, ready?
Who turned it? I'm finna just go.
Cause who put the 7?
I put the 7.
Okay. Oh, so it's Layla's turn.
No, it's my turn because I had reversed it.
You gotta take one, no?
Oh yeah, you gotta take one.
Oh my god. Why keep walking in the water? It's not a No. I changed my mind. No. Not you giggling on that phone.
No. Girl, I'm just giggling. I'm
If you're tired by how say
Don't get me started.
don't. Who put that?
Yeah, who put that for? Yeah,
That's always Cammy lagging. Go. Cause she too busy doing other things. We'll take your stuff.
man. Hey, another yellow. So bad.
She don't mind.
What kind of
Yellow. You know you bad. You a toddler. Why?
I don't have it.
Yeah, pull one. Are you saying that because you don't want to take a shot? She doesn't have a
I don't
yellow.
have it.
Oh wait, yes I do.
Yeah, go ahead.
Wait, I got a drink. Skip or plus four.
Wait, I thought I was gonna have to choose.
That's what I was saying. It was skip or plus
Do
four.
we do plus two?
Oh, I pulled.
Y'all had that?
Uno.
Oh, reverse.
And what's going on with Dre fake lying about him being in trouble?
Okay, I'll wait for him.
No, it's right, y'all. Uno.
Is he right?
Oh, that's how it works.
Yeah, get your card.
Is he Cammy blue? This sounds top up.
Here you go. Just talking about Wait, what?
If you got a plus, do you put down or no? Or do Cammy just Cammy?
Wait, I got this.
Why you keep skipping me? I'm finna reverse. Take your shot.
Take your shot.
Ew.
Man, like, I gave her a good hand.
You did. Wait, let me stop because I
Bro.
But this really don't. No, because that's the top of the new shit. This, you have to be spinning. What was the top?
You gotta look at the percentage and get this percentage.
Like, you gonna get your Wait, can I put plus four on top? Hey, what you mean?
Wait, you could stack with plus
Yeah.
two. Plus two.
Oh, I don't got plus two. Wait, who did anyone say they
So
shot?
sorry.
Wait, why is he making me drink? She finna irritate me. I won. Money won, y'all.
Yeah.
That's not the move. Our loser got a shot. Look at her. Ooh. That shit scared the fuck out of me. She's talking about cause she was like and he already my steady trying to put it down. He did his thing, y'all had to admit, but his head game was like point blank period. Nigga, is you serious? Now on to the next nigga. And his nigga. But his homeboy while it's bigger. But I can't see myself with him. Sorry, I got you niggas mad because our boyfriend adored me. Wait, I think I got. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I gotta take a shot. Wait, I don't got nothing. How you never got nothing? What color? I could shot. Literally, my cards are sucking. I draw. Oh my god. Blow nutty all night. Come and beat it up. You want to take a shot? She's talking about she finna finish. No, her. You said you finna Remember when she got shot and was making that ugly face? That be Layla as fuck. She be like, she was in the seat like,
Hold up.
hey.